Hey, this is JD and FIA. I want to give you different options for a 1-5-6-4. Look at D flat. We'll be in D flat. All right, so take a 1-5-6-4. That's going to be D flat major. All right, to A flat major. All right, that's your 5 chord. Your 6 chord is going to be that B flat minor. All right, to the 4 chord, it'll be that G flat major. All right, so if we take that progression and take a song like Freedom, all right, freedom, all right, 1-5-6-4. All right, you can get tired of playing that same 1-5-6-4. So several options that you can do. We're gonna go chord by chord and look at the substitutions that we can make on those chords. All right, so first chord, D flat major. All right, that's where we at. We're in the key of D flat. All right, so we got our D flat major. We're going to form our 1. All right, our next chord is our A flat major. All right, so options for the A flat major. One option we can do, instead of going to a flat major, all right, we can go to an A flat major over C. So it looks like you're playing the 7 on the bass. All right, so you can walk it down like that if you want to. All right, and then that's gonna take you to the 6. All right, so so instead of going 1-5-6-4, you can say 1 to that chord. And when you play this chord here, you can add the A flat here if you want to. So I got C, A flat, on my left hand, right hand, C, E flat, A flat. All right, before we go to the 6, there's another option that I can do. I can say, instead of going from the 1 to the 7 or 1 to the 5, essentially both of them are the 5, I can go to the 3. So I can say 1 to the 3. All right, when I say the 3, I'm just talking about the numbers of the scale, the number of the scale in the key. So D flat, E flat, F, 3. All right, so I'm playing that same A flat chord in my right hand that I was playing over A flat, just playing it over F, and that's going to be going to give me that different sound. So I have 1 down to the 3, all right, and then I can come back up to the 6. All right, so you get 3 different choices. You can go 1 to the 5 to the 6, or you can say 1 to the 7 to the 6, or you can say 1 to the 3 to the 6. All right, so that's some changes that you could do right there. Another change you can do is you can substitute the 6. All right, when you play that 6, you can substitute it with the 3. All right, so what you'll do, you have to set it up. So you have 1 to the 7 to the 6. All right, substitution for the 6 with the F. All right, so I'm playing D flat major, that same chord. All right, over with F in the left. All right, then to my 4. So you have 1 to my 5 to my 3 to my 4. So that 3 can be a substitution for the 6. 1, 5, 6, 4. 1, 5, substitution for the 6 to the 4. All right. Another thing I can do is I can substitute the 3 for the 1. All right. So I will have to set it up. So say we're playing regular. 1, 5, 6, 4, 1. All right. Then I'm going to come up to that. So when I went to, so I'm going to play that F, that same F with the D flat, and then I'm going to come up to that C. All right. That's my substitution for that 5. I can go to the 5 if I want to. It's kind of boring though. All right. So you're going to want to come up to the C. All right. Oh, one more thing you can do. You can go to that flat 7. All right. Go to that flat 7. So you can say hand B in G flat or F sharp, right hand B, D flat, E flat, or I'm gonna spell it right, B, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, or you got D flat, E flat, G flat. So you can throw that anytime. So several different options. One more thing you can do is you can walk up to 4. Alright, or if you want to change that inversion. Alright, so where to fall if I was to play it real time in freedom, something like freedom. 6, 4. Alright, it's gonna set me back up. So, and like you said, you could do that any inversion. Alright, so one inversion, I'm just walking up. So I have G flat major. Alright, G flat, left hand, right hand, B flat, D flat, G flat. Then we're going to an A flat major. Alright, C, E flat, A flat. Then to a B flat or to a G flat first inversion. Alright, so the same, so just rotating the chord, B flat, on my left hand, right hand, D flat, G flat, B flat. And then to my A flat chord again, C, C, on my left hand, right hand, E flat, A flat, C. And that's gonna take you back to D flat. If you wanted to do it the other way, it'll be, same chords, just different inversions. So G flat. So instead of playing here, you're gonna play here. I'm not gonna spell those out. But when you get to that C, I do like to make a change. I play E flat on my right hand. So C and C on my left hand, right hand, G, B flat, E flat. And then to my 1, to D flat. So yeah, I just want to give you several different options. Hope I didn't lose you. All right, so yeah, hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.